What happens when you take a Porsche Cayenne and turn it into an absolute monster? Meet the TECHART Magnum First Edition, an ultra-exclusive, 930 horsepower SUV that defies all logic. With only 25 units available worldwide, this machine isn't just about speed. It's about making a statement. But is it the ultimate super SUV or just an over-the-top experiment? Let's find out. Let's get straight to the numbers because they are absolutely mind-blowing. The Magnum First Edition is powered by TECHART's advanced power kit, pushing an insane 930 horsepower and 811 lb-ft of torque. That means this SUV can launch from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.7 seconds, putting it in hypercar territory. And the top speed? It's electronically limited to 205 miles per hour, but TECHART claims it's capable of hitting 217 mph faster than some of the world's best supercars. Of course, it's not just about speed. This thing looks like it's ready to devour the road. TECHART has reworked the Cayenne's entire exterior with lightweight carbon fiber elements, from the massive front air intakes to the sculpted hood, all designed to enhance aerodynamics and cooling. The numbered fender inlays remind you that you're looking at one of only 25 in the world, making it a true collector's item. And check this out, the center exit exhaust was previously exclusive to the Cayenne Coupe, but TECHART has now brought it to the hatchback version. Not only does it give the SUV a more aggressive look, but it also delivers a finely tuned, monstrous exhaust note. Inside, the Magnum First Edition is all about bespoke luxury. Each unit comes with a fully handcrafted interior, customizable to the owner's taste. Think premium leather, carbon fiber accents, contrast stitching, and of course, an exclusive numbered plaque that reminds you just how rare this machine is. TECHART didn't just build an SUV, they built a statement piece. Now, TECHART has multiple versions of the Magnum, but the First Edition is the absolute king. While the standard Magnum and Magnum Sport focus on body kits and performance tweaks, and the Magnum Unique lets owners fully customize their builds, the Magnum First Edition is the pinnacle, combining exclusive design elements, raw power, and extreme rarity into one outrageous package. So, how do you get your hands on one? Well, unless you're one of the lucky 25 customers with deep pockets, you probably can't. TECHART hasn't revealed the official price yet, but considering the base Magnum upgrades already cost over $100,000 on top of a stock Cayenne Turbo, the First Edition is likely to push well beyond $300,000 if not more. At the end of the day, the TECHART Magnum First Edition isn't just another fast SUV. It's an engineering marvel, a collector's dream, and an absolute powerhouse on the road. But what do you think? Is this the ultimate super SUV, or is it just an expensive, over-the-top build? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Curious Corner for more in-depth looks at the world's craziest machines. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay curious.